Hi guys, thank you so much for watching again. So today I'm gonna show you guys this old school hairstyle. I really love it. It's simple and it's cute and it's stylish. It took me about 30 minutes to get it done and she will wear it all week. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'm starting on freshly washed and blown out hair. And usually I don't blow out Janelle's hair before styling it, but I've noticed her hair has become super long and super tangly, and it's just really easier for me and less painful for her if I, just like I do with Shanilia, blow out her hair before styling if I'm doing a lot of sections. So that's just a change of regimen I adopted. So the first step is to section the hair into two parts. I want one ponytail falling to the front of her hair and one ponytail falling to the back. And I wanted to go for a more playful look, so I'm doing a zigzag kind of section. To clean up this section, I'm using Kreyole Essence Sleek and Chic Edge Gel. This is my favorite thus far. I really love it. It's really gooey and slimy, but it does the job. Yeah, it's one of my favorites. Once I'm satisfied with my section, it's time to create the ponytail. Now it's time to create the second ponytail, the front ponytail, and just like the first, I first start with some edge control, clean up the section, and then create the ponytail. So one of my New Year's resolutions is to get better at doing edges. So for this time, I'm really taking my time. I'm not there yet, but I'm getting better. Practice makes perfect. So Janelle was happy with the result, and that's all that matters. And I really wanted to go for that old school style with lots of edges done and laid, and that's why I'm paying so much attention to this style. Once I'm done with the edges, it's time to moisturize the hair. I'm using some Kreyole Essence leave-in conditioner. I will make sure to mention all of the products I'm using in the description box below. But just look at the thickness and the length of her hair. You wouldn't almost notice that I cut her hair 2 years ago. It's so thick and luscious. If you want to know how I grew Janelle's hair, please go to my YouTube channel. I have a whole playlist on how to grow hair with tips and tricks and all of that. So I'm creating this huge poodle puff, and I'm going to install some hair ties, like hair bodies in them, but I'm using rubber bands to lay the foundation. I decided to leave the tips of her hair out, and I wanted to revert back, so I'm using some leave-in conditioner and then just brushing it until the curls pop back. So once I've created the poodle puffs, it's time to install the hair bodies. I got them from AliExpress, and I will make sure to put a link of them in the description box below. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments box below, and I'll make sure to answer them ASAP.